Welcome back, Potheads. Today we're going to be making hard-boiled eggs in our Instant Pot. So we're going to need some eggs, 1 cup of water, the steam rack that's included, and a bowl of cold water for later. Start by putting the steam rack in, followed by your cup of water. Then throw in your eggs. Today I'm cooking 6, but I'm pretty sure the pot can handle like a lot more. Throw on the lid and listen to that sweet catchy jingle. And press pressure cook and set it for 5 minutes. Make sure your pot is on sealing, not venting. The pot will take like 5 to 10 minutes to heat up, and then the timer will start automatically. It is literally that simple. Turn the pot off, and we're going to do a quick release by carefully flicking the venting knob. This is totally the best part of using Instant Pot and any pressure cooker, and honestly the gimmick just doesn't get old for me. I also just noticed this little silver thing will drop, so now it's cool to take the lid off. And there you have it. Perfectly hard-boiled eggs. I love this steam rack accessory with these nifty little handles. Makes transporting these eggs a breeze. And you're going to let the eggs cool off for like 5 to 10 minutes. When you're ready, feel free to take them out of that water. I find that 5 minutes is the perfect time for a hard-boiled egg. I suggest using 3 or 4 minutes if you like soft-boiled eggs for whatever reason. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy this recipe, please like and subscribe for more Instant Pot videos. See you next time, Potheads.